Have you ever wondered what the difference is between equal opportunity employment and diversity, equity, and inclusion? A lot of people confuse them, but they're not the same thing. And if you're an employer, an HR professional, or just someone interested in workplace fairness, you need to know the difference. Let's start with equal opportunity employment, or EEO. This is the law. Equal opportunity means that employers cannot discriminate based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, or age. It's enforced by laws like the Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. Equal opportunity is about ensuring fairness in hiring, promotions, pay, and workplace treatment. If an employer discriminates, they could be sued by the EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or even face federal penalties. Employers who discriminate can also be sued by employees for discrimination for their damages. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, is different. Unlike EEO, DEI is not a legal requirement. Instead, it's a business strategy that companies use to create more inclusive workplaces through DEI hiring goals. Diversity means having a workforce with different backgrounds and perspectives. Equity ensures that everyone has the same access to opportunities. And inclusion means creating an environment where all employees feel valued and heard. At least, that's what it's supposed to mean. What we've actually seen in practice is that employers end up hiring underqualified people under their DEI initiatives over more qualified applicants. Then, these companies trot out their DEI hires for publicity, like show ponies who brag about how woke they are. Unlike equal opportunity, which is mandatory, DEI is voluntary. This is why we've recently seen countless businesses and the government ditching DEI policies because of the growing view that they are essentially institutionalized reverse discrimination. That's also why the Supreme Court overturned affirmative action in college admissions. So, to sum it up, equal opportunity is about legal compliance and preventing discrimination. DEI is a proactive effort to hire a diverse workforce over the most qualified workforce. Think of it like a pendulum. Hiring only men to be nurses is discriminatory against women and violates equal opportunity. Hiring only women to be nurses under a DEI policy swings the pendulum in the opposite direction and discriminates against men. Hiring men and women equally to be nurses based on qualifications is equal opportunity, and that's the law.